We live in a society where we're continuously being told, if you follow the rules, if you do well in school, then you'll be fine. And it's basically a lie.
Kleptocracy exists on an international scale. We're living through a period where coalitions of these super rich, of these money maximizers, gain control over the bulk of the political and economic life.
Global rich are choosing who's in and out of power, and the mechanism exists to do that.
And you have to be really smart to do it. You know, it's difficult work, it's hard work. You need to go to Harvard or Princeton or whatever, but you don't contribute anything. You know, you just learn how to steal from others.
If you're not angry, then you're just not paying attention.
I'm pretty sure they continue to fight me forever, but you know, I can tell you on our end the same thing.
The moment people are becoming angry, that's the moment things are actually already improving.